Alright guys, welcome back to part 4 of the Beast Gohan Beatbox Labs Dokkan Battle video. That's a long title. So this time I'd like to focus on something that I'm not really too good at. These are the harmonies. Or am I saying that right? So for those of you who don't know, a harmony is the sound that two notes that are played at the same time makes. So I've gone and I've created a harmony for the main melody. See how it sounds. Alright, so right now I just gotta add a couple more things, tune it up, and we're good to go. Hey, stay tuned for the next project. Y'all are gonna love what comes next.